Hi my web viewers, in this video I'll show you I'm trading for the Steam wallet 10 euros. I am with 5,799 soul gems and this is the price for the Steam wallet 10 euros. Okay, let's check if it works. Get reward, Steam wallet 10 euros, platform Steam, type gift cards, region. You receive a notification concerning your reward soon. Warning, there may be delays in delivering this price. The estimated delivery time may be up to 31 days. Okay, let's check this. Order a reward Steam wallet 10 euros. Okay, let's wait. 0 soul gems now. Okay, let's wait for this. When the transaction is concluded, I make a new video informing you. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thumbs up if you liked, and till the next one.